Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will walk through Arlo Secure Pro, our most advanced subscription plan and the only camera system with a built-in emergency SOS button designed to help you act faster when it matters most. Imagine knowing what's happening at home and being able to intervene before it becomes a problem. That's what Arlo Secure Pro is built for. Powered by the Arlo Early Warning System, you get intelligent, AI-driven alerts that tell you exactly what's happening, whether it's a familiar face, an unknown person, a vehicle, or even a fire. If something isn't right, you can respond instantly. With the emergency SOS button available from your lock screen, notification, or in the app, you can contact local emergency services in just one tap. Your footage is securely stored in the EU cloud, so even if a camera is damaged or stolen, your evidence is safe, giving you proof when you need it most. And if your camera is stolen, we'll replace it so your protection stays uninterrupted. Need to check back on something you missed? You can easily go back and review recordings from the past 30 days. And with support for an unlimited number of cameras, you can protect your entire home with one simple plan. Wherever you are, Arlo Secure Pro keeps you informed and ready to act before situations escalate. Stay calm and confident, Arlo has it covered. For more information, check the links in the description.